Hi guys, hope all is well and thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel to watch another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be doing another haul, and this one I'd like to say is really close to my heart. It is for a brand called Zuela. Now Zuela is founded by Steph Pittman, who is another one of you guys. She is a follower of mine. And I've been speaking to her for years now. I am so proud of Steph. She's branched out, she's launched this brand Zuela, which is, you know, thoughtful about their, you know, their carbon and eco footprint, and stuff is sustainably sourced, and the product is all about well-being. So I'm really excited to actually try on the pieces and show you how it works, tell you a little bit more about the brand. So if you are interested in finding out a bit more, well, stay tuned. So before I even get started, I really want to start off with some gratitude, just to push it out there. And I'm just so thankful for all of your support, your patience with me. So yeah, I obviously want to push out gratitude, love, well wishes to all of you. Do not forget, if you're watching this and you have not subscribed yet, make sure you press that button and subscribe, and make sure you also do not forget to turn on your notifications so you can know exactly when I'm coming out with new content. You'll be first. And also, if you like this video, if you like any of the pieces, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and support. Also, I will be doing my best to also get back to you guys in terms of correspondence, so make sure you comment below, and I'm really going to be pushing on doing that and connecting with you guys again, because I know I do it on other platforms, but I really need to focus and do it a lot more on here and not forget you guys, because you guys are amazing. Also, if you guys really do like any of the pieces and you think that someone else you know is gonna really love it, do not forget to share. So as mentioned, this brand is founded by Steph Pittman, and this sustainable lingerie literally is to be able to empower and create confident women through the underwear, which is absolutely beautiful and sustainably sourced, and also with the little secret element to it, which is really amazing, which is crystals. All the underwear comes with a pocket full of crystals, and it's on the left side, and you push it in. I'll show you how to do that. And basically it just helps with overall well-being. With each item you can pick which crystals you want. It's all about promoting, you know, well-being, good mental health. 5% of all of the profits basically go to Mind Charity, which is amazing. I'm going to put a link to Mind Charity in the description below, so you can, you know, research them and find out a little bit more about what they do and what they're about. I personally am not 100% clued up with crystals. Coming from a Christian background, it's not something that we tend to really use. I have noticed the effects certain crystals have had, so I'm really excited actually about the concept of this and just the all-round positivity of this brand. So let's jump in and let's start talking about the product. It comes in a little dust bag like this, which is amazing because you can reuse it over and over again. Then with the crystals, it comes in a little mini pouch like this, which is so cute. These are like the mini crystals which you basically get and you pop into your underwear, your bra, your whatever it is. I want to show you the Quartz Set, which I have in grey. Now it comes in white, black and grey. So that's the bra, and these are the knickers. You know, it's just light support for lounging, really. I would go bed in this. The fabric on this is just, it's amazing. This is nothing like these fast fashion sets that you get. You can feel the quality straight away. And as you could see, it's got these gorgeous, this gorgeous like lace detail here, as well as, you know, on the side of the knickers as well. And you guys know I love some cami straps, but these have got a nice stretch to them. I possibly would love the option of maybe ordering a different top size to the bottom, especially if you're pear shaped or have the bottom half of you that's just a little bit bigger, because they were a teeny little bit snug, but other than that, I really wasn't bothered by the fit at all. And as you guys can see, it looked amazing. All you have to do is go to the left hand side and you will see that there's a teeny weeny pocket. So let me see if I can get it to focus. So you see that pocket there? So what you do is you pop the crystals in that, and it basically stays with you throughout the night or throughout the day, you know, through meditation or whatever it is, and it gets to working near your heart where it can really like pump and move, and you know, where the source of energy is. So next, let's move on to the slip dress, which is called the Self-Love Slip Dress. It's described to create a sense of confidence within yourself. It's figure hugging, it fits to your curves perfectly and has the most amazing stretch to it. And again, just like the other set, the material on this is incredible. This comes in black, white and grey as well. Now I got this slip dress in a size 16, and just like with the other set, I love how these items can both be worn in and out the house, or I don't know whether it's just me, but you know, you could wear something like this out actually, as well as like the top, like the little bralette. You could wear it with like a pair of jeans, high-waisted jeans, and or some high-waisted shorts, just for like a cool, you know, everyday look. And again, I really love the lace detail, and also something like this could take you through summer, spring, all the way to autumn and winter, because this bamboo fabric is breathable. So if you're worried about it being too hot, don't worry, you know, this is completely breathable and quite lightweight, to be honest. If you check out on the left hand side, you could see a little pocket here, and you just pop the crystals right in there and keep it with you throughout the day or in the night. Next, I want to show you this bodysuit. So first of all, literally I cannot, this possibly is my favorite piece. Just look at the detailing at the front of this bodysuit. So this is a hazel bodysuit. Again, it comes in black, white and grey, and it has the lace detailing here right at the front, as well as the immediate side of the bodysuit. It's kind of got that underwear, outerwear vibe to it, so you can definitely wear this as like a vest top by itself, or you can wear it at home as loungewear and even border it over to lingerie. I actually got this bodysuit in a size 14. It's got that stretch, so it fits to your body perfectly, and it offers you the possibility of seamlessly carrying your crystals with you in this mini pocket here. But I really do love the attention to detail in the lace placement of this bodysuit. And last but not least, I want to show you a t-shirt that I got from the brand, which is a Self-Love Club t-shirt. Really love logo tees, as you guys know, so I'm so happy about this actually. I got in an extra large. Again, another loungewear, nightwear to, you know, outerwear piece. I love the versatility in all these pieces. It's got the features of the breathable bamboo, which is perfect because obviously it's black as well. I really do love the stretch in it. I love the fit of it because it's not too tight, it's a little bit oversized. And I have to also just pinpoint on this label here. Basically, it's a climate neutral label, so it's earth positive, which means that this earth positive t-shirt was manufactured solely using renewable green energy from wind and solar power. and I don't know what will empower you to wear this t-shirt any more than what I've just said. You're inspiring yourself and you're inspiring others as they see you. Join the self-love club. So of course with each of these items I was given crystals, which again come in these cute little pouches. So I want to talk a little bit about the benefits of the crystals that have actually come with my loungewear and underwear pieces. This one here is rose quartz, which raises self-esteem, restores confidence and positive self-affirmations. This one, it's called green Aventurine. It emits calming vibrations, harmonizing healing for well-being and emotional trauma. And this one is called Citrine. So it's for happiness and abundance, manifestation and achieving goals. And obviously based on what you want to radiate or push throughout the day, you just basically will customize whichever crystal you want to put into your bra, or you know, what you want to meditate on throughout the night and have flow out. So yeah, you just use these. So guys, I'm really hoping that you enjoyed this haul as much as I did. I absolutely love the pieces and I'm hoping that you guys love it too. Do not forget to comment below any pieces that you did like. Make sure you check out the links, because all the details to the products are going to be in the description below. So make sure you check them out, especially Mind charity. Make sure you check them out as well, and if you can, donate where you can as well. And do not forget that 5% of the sale is going to be donated to Mind as well through Zuela, so don't forget to support. I really do hope you enjoyed that. Do not forget to put your mental health first, which is a huge act of self-love, which is I am a huge advocate for, especially as I'm in the self-love club. Also guys, do not forget to keep pursuing your dreams, keep pushing, keep going, keep getting back up, because I believe in you and I love you. So I will look forward to seeing you again in my next video. See you soon. Bye.